What I'm about to show you will forever change how you look at real estate investing. Most people think you need thousands, sometimes even millions, to start investing in real estate. But what if I told you that today, you can start building your wealth with less than the price of lunch? Yep, just $10 can open the door to real estate investing. And for beginners, that small step can change your financial future. Here at For the Low, though, we specialize in showing you how to grow, save, and build wealth without overspending. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can start investing in real estate with just $10, and why it's smarter to start small now than to wait until you feel ready later. Let's start with the big myth of real estate. When you hear real estate investor, what pops in your head? Probably someone walking around in a suit, buying skyscrapers, or flipping million-dollar homes. That's the Hollywood version. The truth is, real estate has been democratized. Thanks to platforms like Fundrise, you don't need to be the next Warren Buffett to get started. You can begin with $10. Think of it like planting seeds. You don't need a massive farm to start. You just need a single pot of soil, water, and sunlight. Over time, those seeds grow, multiply, and before you know it, you've got a garden producing fruit. That's what micro-investing in real estate does for you. Next, how Fundrise makes $10 work for you. So how does it actually work? When you invest with Fundrise, your money doesn't just sit there. It gets pooled together with thousands of other investors and placed into a mix of commercial properties, apartments, and housing developments. Here's the kicker. These properties generate rental income and appreciation, which means your $10 isn't just staying $10. It's working. It's like putting your dollar bills in the gym. They start lifting weights, getting stronger, and bringing friends along for the ride. And Fundrise gives you regular updates. Personally, I love when they email me to let me know, hey, we just invested in a new apartment project, or this property generated X return. It makes you feel like you're part of something bigger, because you are. Why start with $10? Instead of waiting, now you might be asking, why bother with just $10? Here's why. It's about building a habit, not hitting a home run on day one. Think of it like going to the gym. You don't walk in on your first day and bench press 300 pounds. You start small, you build consistency. Then, before long, you're stronger than you ever thought possible. That's the same with investing. Starting with $10 builds momentum. You learn the ropes, you build confidence, and when you're ready, you can add $50, $100, or more into your portfolio. But the hardest part? It's taking that first step. And let's be real, with inflation, rising costs, and interest rates going wild, money that sits in your checking account loses value. But money you put into real estate, that has the power to grow, hedge inflation, and create passive income over time. The fourth Lotho method. At Fourth Lotho, our goal is to show you how to keep more money in your account so you are able to invest it. We believe in deals, discounts, and strategies that help everyday people build wealth. And starting with Fundrise at just $10 is one of the easiest, lowest risk ways to dip your toes into real estate. Because one day, that $10 won't just be $10 anymore. It'll be part of a portfolio, part of your future, and part of the wealth you're building for your family. So here's my challenge to you. Don't wait. Take $10 today, plant the seed, and watch your financial garden grow. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to For the Low Though, and share this with someone who needs to know they can start investing right now, even with just $10. And let me know in the comments. If you had to start your real estate journey with $10, what would be your first goal? I'd love to hear it.